more. 4 Arizona mayors are speaking out about these rising coronavirus cases here in Arizona. They express their concerns over what they are calling a lack of leadership from our state. Here's Jared Dillingham with this.
Regina Romero, Kate Gallego, Coral Evans, and Anna Tovar from Tucson, Phoenix, Flagstaff, and Tolleson are calling for action to stop the spread of the coronavirus. Mayor Gallego got emotional telling the story of her neighbor who died from complications.
They're not going to have the Thanksgiving they wanted. My neighbor was 61. He was a great leader in my community, always pushing for a better city, making sure I did my job right. And his seat's going to be empty at Thanksgiving.
As of this month, more than 6,000 Arizonans have lost their lives to COVID-19.
These are people behind these numbers that are dying. The last thing that we want to hear is one of our constituents dying, a needless death. And for them, all they're asking for and their family members is that we bring forward solutions and that we work together so that they don't repeat this nightmare.
The mayors think a statewide mandate would help.
We need to send a strong message. You can't say you believe in it and not implement the policy.
We need for our governor to be very clear about the fact that everyone needs to be wearing a mask.
The governor's office told us today the mayors who are vocal on a statewide mask mandate have no intention of enforcing their own local mandates. Tucson's Mayor Romero says it's on the public to notify the health department.
Pima County Health Department then has the ability to call that restaurant or bar and take further action.
We believe that arresting people and putting them in jails where that would be one of the most likely areas for transmission is not the way to get through this. We're going to need people in their own homes to make the right decisions.
The governor's office agreed and told us their focus is on public education and personal responsibility. The mayors expressed concerns about the lack of communication from the state office.
How can we be moving forward together in solving this COVID crisis if our leadership at the top is not communicating?
I'm Jared Dillingham for Arizona's Family.